Good morning, children. Now, today I am here to discuss class 3 English grammar, chapter 6 pronoun. Take pencil in your hand and listen to me carefully. The pronoun. A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. The pronoun is a word that we use it instead of a noun. Now, what is noun? Noun is name of anything is called noun. Okay. Now, for example, Ankur was angry with Sangeeta. He said that she should not have teased the dog. Now, Ankur is name of the boy and Sangeeta is name of the girl. Now, both they are noun. So, Ankur and Sangeeta, they are both noun, and in this sentence he stands for Ankur and she stands for Sangeeta. So the words Ankur and Sangeeta are noun. Just now I told you. Therefore the words he and she are pronoun. Now what a name of anything is called noun, as we all know. हम लोग को मालूम है कि किसी कोई भी नाम नाउन होता है और नाउन के बदले में जो वर्ड यूज़ किया जाता है उसको प्रोनाउन कहते हैं. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पर अंकुर एक लड़का का नाम है, संगीता एक लड़की का नाम है. तो अंकुर के बदले में हम लोग ही यूज़ करते हैं और संगीता के बदले में शी यूज़ करते हैं. तो ये ही और शी दो वर्ड प्रोनाउन हो गया है. ठीक है. तो नाउन के बदले में जो वर्ड यूज़ किया जाता है उसको प्रोनाउन कहते हैं. समझ गया माय चिल्ड्रन? डू यू हैव अंडरस्टूड आई थिंक? सो व्हाट इफ वी डू नॉट यूज़ द प्रोनाउन, we have to mention the nouns again and again, and our sentences will look very awkward. Without pronouns, we would have said, Ankur was very angry with Sangeeta. Ankur said that Sangeeta should not have teased the dog. So don't you think that these sentences appear to be awkward? Now, if we repeatedly use the noun, suppose Ankur, Ankur, Sangeeta, Sangeeta, then it's appear very awkward to our ear, isn't it? The sentences सुनने में अच्छा नहीं लगता. तो इसीलिए नाउन के बदले में जो वर्ड हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं, that is called pronoun. Okay. So I hope all of you understood what is called pronoun. The word which is used instead of a noun, that is called pronoun. And he and she, instead of Ankur and Sangeeta, or instead of anything, whatever it may be, instead of anything we use it as eat, like this. So what these words are pronoun. Now fill in the blanks with the correct pronoun. Here it is given, the fill in the blanks is given. In the next class we will do it. Now, a pronoun that stands for a person or a thing is called personal pronoun. Now, what is personal pronoun? There are three persons: first person, second person, and third person. Now, the first person is the person speaking. Like, I am speaking right now, so I am the first person. The second person is the person spoken to, and now I am speaking with you, so you are the second person. And the third person is the person spoken about. Suppose we are talking about Bikram. So Bikram here will be the third person. Okay, my dear children, hope all of you followed it. So if I speak to you about Bijay, I am the first person, you are the second person, and Bijay is the third person. Clear? So the various forms of personal pronouns are first person, second person, third person, and there is singular and plural too. In the first person, I, me, mine, it is in singular form, and we, us, ours, it is in plural form. Second person, you, yours, singular, and in plural, you, yours, the same thing. And in the third person, singular, he, him, his, she, her, hers, and plural, they, them, theirs, it. So these are all in the first person and second person. Now the personal pronoun किसको बोलते हैं? जो pronoun person के बारे में बोलते हैं उसको पर्सनल प्रोनाउन बोलते हैं. जैसे फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकंड पर्सन, थर्ड पर्सन. फर्स्ट पर्सन कौन है? जो अभी हम बोल रहा है तो हम फर्स्ट पर्सन है, तुम्हारे साथ बात कर रहे हैं तो तुम सेकंड पर्सन हो, और जिसके बारे में हम लोग बात करेंगे वो थर्ड पर्सन होंगे, ठीक है। तो वेरियस फॉर्म्स, पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस का वेरियस फॉर्म होता है, जैसे फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकंड पर्सन, थर्ड पर्सन, और उसका सिंगुलर और प्लूरल भी होता है। तो सिंगुलर में फर्स्ट पर्सन सिंगुलर में आई, मी, माइन होता है, प्लूरल में वी, अस, आवर्स होता है। सेकंड पर्सन सिंगुलर यू, योर्स होता है, और प्लूरल में यू, योर, सेम होता है। एंड थर्ड पर्सन में सिंगुलर ही, हिम, हिज, शी, हर, हर्स सिंगुलर में है, और प्लूरल में दे, देम, देयर्स, इट। ओके, so all of you, I hope all of you followed it. If you can't follow, if you can't understand, you can ring me, I will help you. Okay, the noun for which the pronoun stands is called antecedent. Now the noun which is used for the pronoun, it is called antecedent. The pronoun must agree with its antecedent and its numbers, gender, etc. Okay, now we should talk to Renu. She needs your help. Both Renu and she, singular number, feminine gender. I hope all of you know about gender. He, she, boy, girl, father, mother. This is gender. I hope all of you know it. So here Renu and she both are in feminine gender. We should talk to these boys. They need your help. Now here both boys and they, plural number, masculine gender. Okay, so all of you had understood. ये जो जिसके बारे में, जैसे रेनू एक लड़की का नाम है, और शी नीड्स योर हेल्प, शी प्रोनाउन है, वो भी फेमिनिन है, मतलब वो भी लड़की को समझ रहा है, तो इसीलिए वो फेमिनिन जेंडर में है। और यू शुड टॉक टू दिस बॉयज़, दे नीड योर हेल्प। ये बॉयज़ जो वर्ड है वो मैस्कुलिन जेंडर है, और दे इज़ यूज्ड द थर्ड पर्सन प्लूरल, ये भी masculine gender है. So I hope all of you understood and go through the chapter 10 times, learn it carefully, and in the next grammar class I will help you to do the exercises, and then I will give you homework too. But before that you read the chapter 10 times repeatedly. Okay, if you can't follow, I am there to help you. I will help you. Okay, my dear children, take care and stay at your home, learn your lessons. Thank you.